Hello and welcome back to Ethiverse Lovelies. So today we are going to do a Karwachauth makeup. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to prepare our base. So uske liye I'm going to spray some rose water and this hydrates my face very well. After that, we are going to apply some moisturizer. I'm going to use this Pond's Super Light Gel and I'm just going to massage it on my face. इससे आपका फेस जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लो करता है. लाइक दिस इज़ माई एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम and I massage it very well onto my skin. Then moving ahead, we are going to use this Belora Paris highlighter plus moisturizer. It actually has some illuminating essence in it, so this adds a bit glow on your face and also makes your makeup look dewy. So obviously करवा चौथ का फास्ट करके बहुत लोगों का ग्लो चला जाता है, so this will add a glow on your face for sure. नेक्स्ट अप वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ अ सनस्क्रीन. ऑब्वियसली रात के टाइम पे सनस्क्रीन की क्या ज़रूरत है ऐसा बहुत लोग बोलेंगे, बट ट्रस्ट मी इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट विथ योर मेकअप बेस. सो आई एम यूजिंग Nature's Essence sunban sunscreen. I'm just going to massage it onto my face. Then we are going to hydrate our lips with Baby Lips. Next up, moving to the face, we are going to use Pond's BB cream. If you want, you can use any foundation which suits your face, but currently I've been obsessed with the BB creams, so I'm using Pond's BB cream. I'm going to apply it on my face and then blend it with a small beauty blender. Now I'm going to conceal my face with Maybelline concealer. I'm going to add all the details and the shades of the products in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check my description box as well. So we are going to apply concealer on the under eyes, on the eyelids, and then I'm going to dab it with a beauty blender and blend it very well. Next I'm going to apply the concealer on my nose, in the middle of my forehead, and wherever there are dark spots on my face. Now let's go ahead and apply some blush on the face. I'm going to use Blue Heaven's blush stick. So I'm just going to draw a line on my cheekbone and on my nose, and then I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender again. After blending the blush very well into the skin, we are going to apply some loose powder. So I'm taking the Pond's powder and I'm just going to apply it with a brush. After this, I'm going to also use powder blush for a more nicer and finishing effect. So I'm using K-Play Raspberry Blush and I'm just going to apply it lightly with a buffing brush on my cheekbones and blend it nicely. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to start with combing my eyebrows first with a spoolie, and then I'm going to add in the brow powder which is from my Glamm, and then I'm going to comb my eyebrows again to define it better. Let's move on to the best and the most trickiest part, obviously the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Beauty Glaze Colorboard eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to start with applying a nude shade under my eyebrows to define it nicely, and then I'm going to take a red plus pink eyeshadow and I'm going to do a cut crease kind of makeup over here. You just have to trust the process over here, so just go ahead, keep blending and build a color. Now I'm going to press some glittery shade in the inner corners of my eyelids, so that will complete my eyeshadow look. After that, we are just going to finish the look with all the corrections around the eye. And now I'll be using this sugar palette and I'll be contouring my nose and my face as well. And ignore the cotton on my head, I don't know where it came from, but I just cropped the video because of that and it's still showing up. After this, we are going to apply highlighter on the nose and also on the high points of your face. Let's move ahead with eyeliner and mascara. For eyeliner, I'm using the Sugars eyeliner, and for mascara, I'll be using Maybelline. For lipstick, I'll be using Plum's Bullet lipstick and I'll be topping it up with the Sugar's nude lipstick. I'll mention both the lipstick shade in the description box. Now let's apply some bindi and sindoor and we are ready. So I'll just dress up and show you guys the final look. So for jewelry, I have used a heavy choker set which is from Raga the Studio. So if you guys don't know already, I have been running a jewelry business which is kind of a side hustle. And yes, again I'll mention the link for my Instagram page of jewelry in the description box, so go and check it out because we are selling some jewelries on Diwali offers, so you might get your hands on some of the best pieces at a very affordable price. Here's my husband hyping me up again. So yeah, I thought that was just a cute moment, so I just put it in. And now this is the final look. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments how much you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.